Forget complicated builders. With Foxify, creating stunning Shopify sections takes minutes, no code needed. In this video, we're building 2 scroll-stopping sections for sportswear stores, inspired by Tracksmith. We'll one-click copy the first section using FoxTransfer. Then, we'll craft a fully custom editorial layout with FoxStudio. So let's get started. First up, we're recreating a sleek brand story section straight from Tracksmith-inspired About page using the FoxTransfer Chrome extension. Don't have FoxTransfer yet? Grab it from the link in the description so you can follow along with us. Navigate to the Tracksmith-inspired About page. Then open the FoxTransfer Chrome extension and connect it to your Shopify store using your Foxify API key. It only takes seconds. Now hover over an element you want to steal. You'll see it outlined. Click, choose whether to convert images, then hit copy. Head over to your Foxify editor. Right-click where you want to paste the section, and hit paste from FoxTransfer, or use the keyboard shortcuts Command V for Mac, or Control V for Windows. Bam! Layout, images, text, copied and live in your page. You can replace demo content with your own brand visuals and copy to stay on brand. Now, let's switch gears. We're building a journal-style blog section from scratch using FoxStudio, inspired by Tracksmith-inspired storytelling layout. Let's build a layout for the heading and main content for this section using stack elements. First, let's add a heading element at the top of your section. Type in your section title, something like the journal, and center it for a clean, editorial look. Now just below that, drag in a text element for your intro. This can be a short description. Next, we'll use a stack element to organize the content. Drag a stack into your section and set a comfortable gap, so everything breathes well. Inside that stack, we'll build 2 groups, one large, featured story card, and a 2-column grid for additional articles. For the 2-column grid part, we'll place a grid element that holds multiple cards in a 2-column layout with gap between cells. In the container stack element, we'll add a large, highlighted story card. Set the stack to vertical, add some gap, and make sure everything's aligned to the left. Then inside that stack, add an image element at the top. Link it to your story image. Below it, add a text element for the subheading in all caps, smaller size. A text element for the main headline with bold and bigger style. A text element for a description with medium weight. And a button element. Label it and link it to your blog or article page. Once your card is styled and looking good, duplicate it to fill the other cells in the 2-column grid. You can swap the content while keeping the layout consistent. At the bottom of the grid section, add one final button element under the grid to drive users to your full blog or journal page. To make the featured story card section remain visible while scrolling, set the container stack element's position to sticky and adjust the inset values, such as top or bottom, as needed to control when and where it sticks during scroll. Make sure to switch between device views in your editor to fine-tune how your sections look across all screen sizes. A great layout deserves to look sharp everywhere. And that's it, you've built 2 beautiful, conversion-ready sections using Foxify. Whether you're highlighting gear or telling a story, this combo gives you speed and control. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart Shopify tutorials. Thanks for watching.